Hello everyone, this is Kat with VCS Embroideries. Today I'm going to show you how to embroider onto a stocking where the back of the embroidery is hidden and not like this one that was provided by the customer. I want to make it where it looks a little bit more clean. First off, I have found where the center of the stocking is by measuring it out and finding where the center should line up. Showing you here again the lines. Now we're going to go ahead and pull the stocking inside out. Makes it easier for when putting it onto the hat hoop frame. Okay, you can faintly see it right here. Those are the lines. That's what I'm going to go ahead and line up. This is a medium tearaway stabilizer. I'm going to put that inside of the stocking when I go ahead and put it here onto the hat hoop. Now this part can be a little bit challenging trying to get it to line up to kind of stay as well, but do your best, get it as close as you can, lined up again, making sure my center point goes with the V that is on the hat hoop frame there. Once I have it kind of where I want it, I'm going to grab the top and start clamping it down. I'm not going to show you guys the whole good 5 minutes of trying to mess with getting it in there, making sure it doesn't move, but you guys get the idea of get it in there so it's snug. Okay, so I have everything in there. I've made sure it's lined up, making sure it's nice and taut, pushing down that top clamp. I triple, double, too many times check, but I do not want it to move at all. Now I'm going to go ahead and use the little black clips provided with this hat hoop and just clip down the stocking. As you could see, it makes it really nice and clean looking. Makes it nice and smooth when embroidering onto your machine. Again, I'm just making sure everything looks good, pulling any extra if it needs to be. Now, here it is, all on the hat hoop frame. Looks good. It's a little hard to see the lines, but they're there. That's where the arm will go into it. Reminder, flip your embroidery facing the embroidery machine. Now just installing the stocking with the hat hoop frame onto the machine. Ready, set, go. Enjoy this part. It's about 3.5 minutes. I did speed it up, but this is just embroidering the name on it. Embroidery is completed. I'm pulling it off the machine here. It is a little snug on pulling, but it will come off. Look how clean this is. There are a few tails that I am going to cut at the end here. Just removing the medium tearaway backing stabilizer. Just quick and easy. I just like to hold on to the letters a little bit so it doesn't pull too much or potentially rip it. But just removing that, making it nice and clean. Here is it all clean. Stabilizer is gone. Now I just got to cut those tails like I was talking about. As you can see here, everything's nice and clean. All tails are gone. Cleaned up some of the letters. You do see a little bit of markings from the hat hoop, but that's fine. I will get rid of those, but I am just going to go ahead and pull the stocking the proper way, right side out, and it's going to look all completed. Back of the embroidery is hidden behind that flap instead of inside the stocking. So as you can see, nothing inside the stocking. It is all underneath there. Here's the one the customer provided. As you can notice, it's more to the right. It is embroidered all the way through. So the embroidery is on the inside of the stocking. Personally, not a fan of this, but hopefully you guys like this video. Feel free to like, comment, subscribe. Thank you, everyone.